Okay, so continuing on, we need to just put all the puzzle pieces together and add some basic or advanced transitions depending on what we want to do. This could actually be trimmed a little more. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do, in this case, it is a good idea to do like get the overall like geographical view. So I'm gonna grab one of these. I have to figure out which one is the best one. Let's see here. This one's okay. It's kind of shaky. I might X-nay that one. This one would be maybe okay. Let's see here. That one's not bad. That was okay. I think I want something like this, maybe. There was one that was like perfect. Not the dance one, not the dance one. Where did it go? Let's see. Let's see. This is the process. And let me tell you something. The more organized you get, the easier it will be to rearrange your clips. This is a pretty good one. I might use that one. I think that's number one for now. Sometimes you just have to go with something because there's so many good clips. You just have to bite the bullet. Let's see. That one's good. It was just a little too fast. Like, this is a nice slow roll, like a nice slow pan, like this right here. You know, I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. It's a little too fast. See how it's like blurry? You can't really see the detail. It's going way too fast. So I'm gonna get rid of this one. We're gonna go back. I know there was another clip. Where the heck did I put it? I think it's one of these. Maybe not. Let's see. Ah. That's probably the one I just did, right? Yeah, okay. Let's see here. Make sure you never have any other clips. You want to stretch this all the way to see if, make sure you have no clips. This clip's kind of cool for the fact that it shows that like, oh, we started really early. So I think I'm gonna keep that one. It is a little shaky, so I'm gonna see what I can do. This one, a little fast for me. A little too fast for me. So I'm gonna delete this clip. This one is just kind of short, isn't it? See this? See, you can. Yeah. I'm gonna delete that one. Everything will fit. Don't you worry. So I'm going to. Okay, there's this one. What's going on here? It's kind of shaky, isn't it? What's going on with this one? Is this one also shaky? Let's see what the best one is of this. Yeah, obviously you're not going to keep that. I like this part right here. Not that. It was pretty shaky, wasn't it? Yeah, we're not going to use that. I think this is the better. This is probably why I did 2 takes. Yeah, I think this was the better one. And if anything, I might use just a couple seconds of the smoothest footage from this one. All right, so you see how that goes from 0 to 100. Sometimes you click on it wrong, and it changes the opacity. So what you do, see that little line right there? Sometimes you'll grab that by accident, so make sure you be careful. So you want it, you can change it to, let's say, 47. See how it's kind of like, dimmer now? So you see that those 2 arrows that pop up under the mouse? Drag that up. It happens when you go to click sometimes. And if you click it wrong, you're going to have that happen. So you want to make sure you click in the picture to drag your clip wherever. Up, down, And that blue arrow is just an indicator. Now something else to note, you can't go any lower than this gray bar because that is the audio below. You can only go up, okay? Up, down for these 3, like 1, 2, 3. You can't go below this bar. So let's see, where are we at here? So yeah, we're going to keep this. We're going to keep this, obviously. And what do we got here? This was like some kind of like B-roll,